Hey, it's Jada, and here's 3 things we love about this Hoover integrated dishwasher. It's perfect for medium to large households, lets you remotely control cycles, and it stays quiet while you sleep. It helps you save time and energy as it provides you with enough room to conveniently wash up to 176 items in one load. You won't have to get up from what you're doing to start or stop cycles when using the Hoover Wizard app on your smartphone. Plus, it has a handy night cycle setting so you can wash your dishes while you sleep without disturbing your rest. If you want to find out more, visit us in store, online, or chat to one of us on a Shop Live video call.